Hey guys, what's up? It's Cassie Delicious, and I got a new wig today. Woo woo! So excited. Recently this week I was talking to Jake, and he suggested I do a death metal look. I kind of thought that would be fun, so why not? Step one, cover your face in white paint. That should be easy enough. You should be able to figure this out. Alright, woo! Took a couple coats, but I got that. I don't want to half-ass it. I want it to look like something I could wear out, to a show or a cemetery or a grocery store. I don't know where I'll wear it, but you don't know me and I don't know me. But next I think I'll probably do like the basics. Black around the eyes, black on the lips, black down the sides of the nose, and then I'll go for the details. I'll show you as I go. I feel so dark and mysterious, like an Egyptian queen. Now I think I'll start to add the creepy veins coming off in the purples and the pinks. Whoa, 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 whoa. I feel sad, depressed, and anguished, and creepy. Let's try it with the wig, shall we? I do feel like the wig complements this look. If you want to see photos, check out my Instagram. Do you follow me on Instagram? You should. I'm so creepy. Subscribe.